In this video, I'm going to show you how to put TP and SL on TradingView. So to put a take profit and stop loss, you want to first go to the trade button top right, and of course you want to connect to your broker. I'm just going to connect to paper trading because it's going to be the same thing, and I'm going to hit connect. There we go. Over here you want to open the trading panel, so I'm going to go to the top right here. Of course you could also click buy or sell over here in the top left of your chart. And then when you open the side panel here, you can see, of course, you can select either sell or buy orders, and then you can select the type, so market, limit, or stop, and then whichever one you select, doesn't matter. Down here it says exits. If you click on exits, you can see you have take profit and you have a stop loss. So to actually put these, you can enable them and then set whatever you want them to be. Okay, so you can just, of course, move them over here by typing a different number. It's actually that simple. Or of course you could go to the chart here and you can move them here as well, like this. Okay, so that's also very possible, and it's going to put it in here onto your order. Okay, now of course what you can also do here is the following. Let me delete this. You can change it. So right now the take profit and stop loss are in price. You could also do it in ticks. You could do it in percentage of price. You could do it in reward or reward USD or balance. Okay, so completely up to you. You can select whatever you want, enable these, or just enable one of them or none of them, up to you, and then hit the buy button or sell button, and that's how to put a take profit and stop loss, or TP and SL, on TradingView. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.